Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So we are going to be looking at weighted graphs / networks and the shortest path problems. So a weighted graph is a normal network, but it's just putting a number associated to every edge. These numbers make these networks more related to real life because we are thinking about a physical quantity. So distance, time, or cost. So when we are looking at the shortest path from vertex B to vertex D, it's looking at the physical quantity that has been given on each of the edges to help us find the shortest path. So to help us out, we always think about where we are starting. What is the smallest quantity? 7, 6, or 2? And the smallest quantity is 2. Then I'm going from A to D. And this is the shortest still because it's 6, 5, and 4. So that shows me to go from B to D, I am going B to A to D. And the cost is 2 plus 4. So equals $6. So that is our cost. Let's have a go at a slightly more challenging question. Okay, so let's look at this second question. The graph below shows a mountain bike rally course. Competitors must pass through each of the checkpoints A, B, C, D, E, and F. The average times in minutes taken to ride between the checkpoints are shown on the edges of the graph. Competitors must start and finish at checkpoint A, but can pass through the other checkpoints in any order they wish. Which route would have the shortest average? So we know our starting point. Our starting point is A, and our finish point is A. So when I'm thinking about this, I know I'm going to have to get to B at some point. So I'll normally go B. There's only one way to go from B to C and to C. So straight away I know I'm starting at A. I am then going to B and going to C. When I get to C, I can either take a path that is 9, or I can take the path that has got 7 minutes. I'm going to take this 7-minute path because it's shorter. So that gets me to E. Likewise, I need to make sure I go to F and D, and the shortest path is 8. So I'm going to go to F. Now I've got to go to D and then back to the start. So it really helps us to be able to see the pathway. Now the next thing that we need to do, we found the shortest route, we want to also look at the cost. So in this case here, I know A to B is 11 minutes. We know B to C is 15. C to E is 7. E to F is 8. And F to D is 12. We want to get back to the start, so we need to add on 10. If we add all of those up, it tells us the cost of the minutes, how long it should take, and it is 62. Really hope this helps you understand weighted graphs.